Guys, guess what? This neighborhood trail leads straight to a real-life zebra. I'm gonna take you to see the zebra. His name's Zippy. I'm serious. We're in Utah and there's a zebra. What's up, dude? See? Guys, I made some significant changes recently, and there's a reason it's Thursday at 2 p.m. and I'm just rolling around by myself on my bike in the middle of the week. What do you think, dude? Did I make the right decision? I don't know. Yeah, you can probably presume that I quit my job. Now, you probably didn't know I even had a day job. Some of you guys have been watching the channel since my comeback, which a couple months ago, I basically came back to YouTube and I've been testing out a bunch of different types of videos, but I quit my job working for another YouTube channel. Pretty big channel that you guys have all heard of. I have been very quiet about working with them for almost, not quite 4 years. I think it's been a little bit under 4 years. And I've just never talked about it. And in today's video, I'm finally gonna mention who I've worked for. I'm not gonna go into great detail, but I think some of you guys will be surprised. But then also what the reality is of why I quit my job. I quit my job entirely because I wanna make my own YouTube videos. Back in 2022, I went full time and it was really fun. And then I realized that I had a skill set that was valuable to other channels. And so I kind of leaned into that. And then I leaned into it a little bit further than I meant to. So I kind of stopped doing this stuff. So I decided the way that I work, it's hard for me to do like one thing okay and the other thing okay. I got to do one great. And I chose this. And I'm a little bit nervous. So. What's that joke about where it's like you're on Instagram and you look at stories and you see your one buddy who's unemployed on a Tuesday at noon, just doing the craziest stuff? It's literally me now, but I'm not really sure what to do. Now, I am excited to share with you guys the channel that I've been working for the last almost 4 years. I put a lot of work into this channel and it's something that I've been very proud of, but honestly, I've had to make the decision that one thing is more important to me, and that is my YouTube channel. And obviously that loss of income is nerve-wracking. It was a significant amount of income that is now just not coming. And so one thing that I have to do is I have to sponsor videos on this channel to replace that income. And I cannot thank today's sponsor enough. It actually happens to do with this bike. And today's channel sponsor is Temu. And I got this bike, it's the ESKUTE V101. And not only did I buy one of them, I bought 2 of them. And honestly, me and my son have been ripping around all over town for the last few weeks on these things, and it has changed how we operate. The Lexus gets about 11 miles a gallon on a good day. These are essentially free, it feels like. When we ride around town, we can go all day long. The range is reported to be like 50 miles. I will say I'm 210 pounds, 6'2". Mine goes a little bit faster, but I can still rip around 15, 20 miles all day long, no problem. My son can obviously go further. And we've already put over 128 miles just on this one. So I will say, if you're looking for an electric bike for you or even your kids, I will say these are the perfect option. They're right around 500 bucks. But if you guys use this code, which is KKN2658, all you'll do, open the Temu app, put KKN2658 in the search bar. It'll automatically apply a $100 coupon bundle. You guys will definitely save money. Also, you can get a whole bunch of different stuff on Temu. I got these lights off Temu, these hex lights. I know you guys have seen those everywhere, but I put them on the side of the wall, completely transform the garage, especially at night. Also, it's nice to have that side light while you're detailing a car. It's a no-brainer if you have a garage. I think it was like 60 bucks total for the 8-pack. They're not very expensive. These again are super sturdy. They've got the fat tires, it's got plenty of torque. You can do burnouts. I promise you they are more than enough. I will say I was pleasantly surprised when these showed up with how fast they were. The assembly was super easy. They've got tail lights, headlights, it's got a speedometer, twist throttle, and you don't have to pedal. It's got the pedal assist, but honestly, I almost never pedal. I just use the throttle, and these things go all day. But these ESKUTE V101s, one of my favorite purchases ever on Temu. I highly recommend you guys use that code, get your $100 coupon bundle. Check out the lights too. Also, Temu has a whole bunch of stuff. Just use that code again. It's KKN2658. Put it in the search bar and go find some stuff. And thanks again to Temu for sponsoring today's video. All right, well, let's talk about the channel that I used to work for, why I left, and ultimately why I'm doing this now. The channel that I used to work for, I did 130 videos for them, and they started out as just typical YouTube videos. As it progressed, it kind of turned into making movies. It felt like I was making a movie every 2 weeks. And the idea for me was, if I can help another channel on the back end and I can just kind of like make money that way, then I can then focus my spare time on this channel. And eventually got to the point where I just got so busy and I could not continue. I couldn't continue what I was doing for them and to do this. And ultimately it's hard because this channel doesn't make very much money, but it does make enough. And so for me, it's like I've always battled when I'm in the middle of a project for them. I'm like, I've put 150 hours into this video. It got to the point where I realized I wanted to buy my time back. Hudson, I've got him about, what, 4 days a week. And when I have him, I want to play. It got to the point where I realized I need to be a dad, I want to be a dad, and I want to be able to find the best way to be the best dad. And for me, my YouTube channel is the perfect way for me to be the best dad I can by spending time with Hudson. If we bring you guys along, go on an adventure, make a little bit of money, it's the best of both worlds. And so the channel that I stopped working for, I can't thank them enough for everything that they've done. I've had so much fun. It felt like it's been like my baby for a little while. And we actually launched a second channel that truly was my baby, or at least the editing side of it. And the channel that I worked for was Matt's Off-Road Recovery. A lot of you guys have probably heard of the channel. If you haven't watched their videos, they do off-road content. It's a whole world that I was never familiar with. And just by editing it, I got to know that world so well and I started to love it. But eventually the videos just got so big that I just couldn't continue, especially feeling like I was just in the dark hole all day. The joke for editors is that you lock the door behind them until the video's done, leave them in the dark room. And so ultimately I just had to make the decision that I wasn't willing to continue doing that. And so to reiterate, I have nothing but amazing things to talk about with Matt, the whole team, the entire operation over there. They have such a dialed in system that was so cool to watch. To be honest with you, I selfishly have just been kind of taking notes on what they're doing, hoping that someday I can implement that stuff into my channel. And so really it comes down to, it has nothing to do with those guys. I can't thank them enough, honestly, for how much work they've given me and how much I've learned. It really is just, I'm kind of fallen out of love of the editing lifestyle. I'm not willing to put in what I used to put in on any channel, unless it's gonna be this one. And so what's next for me is really just gonna be consistency on this channel is gonna be my main priority. I've been trying a few different styles of videos. If you guys could in the comments, let me know if you've watched the last 5, 6, 7 videos, what was your favorite video and why? I feel like what I think is a really good YouTube video oftentimes doesn't do well, and then the stuff that I don't really think is gonna do well does well. So I feel like I'm equally as confused sometimes as everyone else. And so if you guys put in the comments below, what is your favorite video that I've made and why did you like it? And then let me know what you guys would wanna see next. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.